Hi everyone. Today we're going to read a story about our solar system. It's called My Solar System. And in it we're going to find out a little bit of information about each planet. Do you know what planet you live on? The sun is at the center of our solar system. All planets orbit the sun. Orbit means they move around the sun. And guess what? The sun isn't a planet. It is a star. And it is full of heat and energy. And Mercury is the next planet to the sun, and it is freezing cold at night and scorching hot during the day. And Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. It is covered in clouds that reflect the sun. And sometimes we can see Venus from our planet. Earth is where we live. Did you guess Earth? If you did, you were right. Most of Earth is covered with water, and the conditions on Earth make it perfect for life. So the way the planet Earth is made up, it has everything that we need to live. And Mars is called the red planet. It has very strong dust storms, and it has lots and lots of rocks. It's called the rocky planet. And Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. All the other planets could fit inside Saturn. Jupiter has many moons too. Oh, we have one moon here on Earth. Jupiter has many. And then there's Saturn. Saturn has the largest and brightest rings. The rings are made of chunks of ice and rock. You see the rings going around? They look pretty cool, don't they? They're made of ice and rock. That's interesting. Uranus is the third largest planet. It is made up of gas and has blue and green color to it. But Uranus does something different that no other planet does. Do you know what it is? Most of our planets spin all around. All of our other planets do this. But Saturn spins on its side. Oh, isn't that crazy? That'd be hard to stand on there, wouldn't it? Neptune is windy and cold, and it is the last planet in our solar system. So it's the furthest away from the sun, so it doesn't get much sunlight. So when the sun's not shining, it gets pretty cold. And then there's our little planet called Pluto. Pluto is a little bit different. Pluto is called a dwarf planet. There are 4 other dwarf planets in our solar system. So dwarf means small. It's the smallest planet. And here we have our solar system. So we can review each planet in our star, the sun. So we have Sun, Mercury, which is the closest to the sun. Then there's Venus and Earth. And who lives on Earth? You're right, we do. Mars, Jupiter. Remember I said all the planets could fit inside Jupiter? That's how big it is. And Saturn. Saturn has the rings going around it. Do you remember what the rings are made of? If you said ice and rock, you were right. And then we have Uranus. Uranus does something different. Do you remember what Uranus does? It doesn't spin like we do, does it? It spins on its side. And then we have Neptune. And then we have our little planet Pluto. And does anybody remember what special name Pluto has because he's so small? If you said dwarf, you were right. So there's our solar system. So thanks for coming along with me for a ride on our solar system. Have a good day.